Hey guys, AnnMilano here, and guess what? This weekend, 2 to 4, open house at one of the best subdivisions in Marietta, and you're about to find out why. All right, so here we are at the open house for Sunday. See, honey stopped the car, 2 to 4 on Sunday. You get to see the inside. So we're gonna go inside right now for one quick little show that I'm gonna show you something. It's amazing. Okay, give me a sec. All right, here's your sneak peek for Sunday's open house, 2 to 4, 2361 Darlington Way, Cambridge Preserve. This is lovely. It is the keeping room with a beautiful fireplace, perfect for snuggling on those weekends. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I cannot wait until you see the rest of this house. It is amazing. Downstairs is a finished basement that rivals just about any basement that I've seen in 24 years. Can't wait to see you on Sunday. Bye for now.